Our Simon Says Stamp Easy Strip products are a convenient way to add quick yet beautiful greetings and phrases to your creative projects. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use one of our Easy Strip stamp sets with an Easy Strips die. Our Simon Says Stamp Easy Strips die is a high-quality steel rule die that cuts out all of your sentiments in a single pass. You'll notice there is a nice selection of both large and small strips across the die, which provides you with a variety of options, ensuring that you're going to find a perfect fit for your project. Here I have our Simon Says Stamp Easy Strips birthday stamp set. This stamp is one large piece, which will stamp all of these greetings for you at once. Because it is a large stamp, you'll want to remove it carefully from the plastic sheet that it sits on top of, so that way you don't overstretch your stamp. For best results, we recommend you use this with a stamping tool such as a MISTI, but if you have a clear block large enough for the stamp, you could use that too. I'll be using the MISTI for this demonstration. The beauty of our Easy Strips stamp sets is that you can stamp your greetings with any ink over any cardstock. Here I'm inking up the stamp with our exclusive VersaFine Clair Nocturne ink, which gives a super crisp, deep black impression. Alternatively, if you wanted to have an embossed greeting in perhaps white, gold, or other unique colors, having the stamp makes this also easy. I'm inking up this Easy Strip stamp with our Simon Says Stamp clear embossing ink so that I can emboss it with white embossing powder. The embossing gives a really nice elevated look to your greeting and looks especially pretty on darker colored cardstocks. I'm heating the paper from both the front and the back side to help minimize warping. Maybe you have a project where you'd like to have your sentiments stamped in a colored ink, such as our Simon Says Stamp Pawsitively Saturated ink colors. With the stamps, you can customize your greetings however you like. And the best part is that you get a large assortment of sentiments with a single stamping, making mass production a breeze. Die cutting your sentiments are just as easy as stamping. Simply take your Easy Strips die and use the inner margins as a guide for making sure the alignment is straight. Once you're happy with the placement, tape your die to the paper so that it doesn't shift while cutting. Trust me, this is an important step. Then run the die through your die cut machine using the recommended sandwich recipe for wafer thin dies. Once you've finished cutting your Easy Strips, this is where the magic happens. As you remove the die from the paper, you're going to see all of your greetings have been cut in a single pass, and you now have lots of sentiments that can be used across a whole slew of projects. If you want to stamp and cut a variety of greetings in different colors of ink and cardstock, as I've done here, you can save them for future projects, so you don't have to break out all of your supplies every time you go to create. As you can see, our Simon Says Stamp Easy Strips stamps and coordinating Easy Strip die is a brilliant way to create pretty greetings. You have so many options with this combo, as you get to choose which color ink and cardstock you use, which is ensuring that you're going to have a beautiful sentiment that will match perfectly with your project. I hope that you have enjoyed seeing our Easy Strip stamps and coordinating Easy Strip die in action, and will try these products out for yourself. Until next time, friends, have a fabulous day.
Hi there, I'm Heidi, Simon's mama and founder at simonsaysstamp.com. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like what you just saw, be sure to press the thumbs up and subscribe to see more great content.